Okay, so this one should be interesting, as sort method is in JavaScript highly used, and also has a bit more complicated algorithm behind it. So sort method, for what we will use sort method? Well, obviously, as the name is saying, basically we would use to sort data, no matter by the name, by the age, maybe date or something like that, not a problem, by the location also, so that shouldn't be the problem at all. So how we could use this sort method? Well, we will first console.log our users, just to see our users here. So now to sort this data, we would have a users that sort, and for each of our users we would have A and B. This is not explicit like A and B, you must have A and B. You could have user 1 and user 2 or something like that, it's not a problem. The A would be the user, B would be the user, A would be the user, B would be the user, and reversed, right? So we would say something like this. Condition would be something like this. If a.age, we will sort this by an age first. So first will come the 18, then 22, then 27. So if a age is higher than b dot age, then we will return 1. Else we would return -1. So to refresh the page, now you can see that our users array is totally different shown, right? We first have the Anthony, then Paul with the age of 18, then John with the age of 22, and Chloe with age of 27, as we sorted by the age. So how this algorithm is working, how is this setup is working? So basically we are sorting through a users array, and it will give us back 2 users, right? So algorithm will go like this. It will grab a user A and check with the user B, and if the age of user A is bigger than user B, it will sort it, right? And reversed, and it will go by the first user, and it will go for the all users down, and it will do that for all the users inside, right? So if the condition is made, we will set it to true, basically to 1, and if the condition is not made, then that user will be go below to -1, right? So this is the true, this is the true, right? And we could write this down with smaller syntax, so we will do that right now. There is no point in writing if and else statement, as this arrow function is giving us that if and else. So basically, if a.age is bigger than b.age, then at that point return 1. We are putting question mark for that, and for else we will return -1. We are putting the 2 dots as the else, right? So basically, if this condition is made, return 1. If not, then return -1. So if I refresh the page, it will be the same stuff. If I would reverse this to return -1 and 1, then our array will also be reversed, right? If we use this to sort by a name, and if I refresh the page, you would see PGCA as it is reversed, and if I would again reverse to 1 and -1, then you will see ACGB, right? JB. So it can also be sorted by a name, well, by the letters. So this is it basically.